guys, and welcome back. Happy Monday. I hope you guys are having a good one. So today I'm so excited to show you my new Ross finds. I'm sorry, I know I look crazy. It was a long day today. I went to a couple of different Ross stores, also a lot of different TJ Maxx stores as well, but Ross have some good stuff. Over the weekend I found some new Glamlite makeup at Ross, which was so exciting. I picked up one of the palettes, which I'll show you towards the end of this video. They also have some new iconic London, also a blush stick from Hourglass, and other really nice makeup, skincare. Also the body care section is also pretty good. They have some new tree hut coming to stores. I also found some new handbags and also footwear as well. So yeah, let's get started with this video, and I really hope you guys find everything you want, and hope you enjoy watching. In case you do, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and I would love if you be the part of my YouTube family and consider on subscribing. But for now, let's begin. They had this DKNY Be Delicious Fresh Blossom perfume set. You get body mist and also perfume in this, and this set was running for $30. They had a couple of those in stock. Also for perfumes, I found this perfect Marc Jacobs gift set. You get 3 different ones in this. This set is so cute, and all of these are travel sizes of sprays. Was going for $37 at Ross. They also had this Valentine's Day collection from Beauty Creations at Ross. You get lip liner, lipstick, and comes with lip gloss. This one was running for $7.99. Then I also found this rollerball perfume, Good Girl Carolina Herrera as well, which this one was going for $20. They have Beauty of Joseon serum new there. This is their Ginseng Plus Glow Revive serum, which was running for $11.99. Then I also found this K-Beauty set there, Skin Barrier intense cream set. You get 2 different sizes in this, and this set was going for $17. For Innisfree, they had this Glow Brighten gift set there. In this one, you get Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. Also comes with green tea enzyme toner, and also a mask as well, mini size. This set was going for $15. Hourglass Vanish Blush Stick is coming in stock. You guys, I just see on their website, this product is not even launched yet. I don't understand how it is at Ross, and I'm so mad at myself for not picking it up. I hope I find it again when I go there. This one was running for only $13, and this one was in the shade Wonder. Then they had this product new there for iconic London Luscious Glow Baked highlighting palette for $8.99. And for Too Faced lip injection lip gloss, they had a new shade there which calls People Pleaser, and was running for $12.99. Also for Hourglass, they had these high shine volumizing lip gloss in the shade Dusk. We have seen this in the past for $12.99. A single eyeshadow for NARS in the shade Sophia was new there for $7.99. And then more of these lip balms for NARS, which we have seen in the past for $9.99. Also, I found this Chill Night Buxom liquid lipstick on markdown this time for $5.49. They also had these Donna Karan Cashmere Mist gift sets there for $60. Looks like you're getting 2 different sizes of perfumes in this. And a bunch of these Kate Spade gift sets was there as well. You get body lotion and 2 different sizes of fragrances for $55. And for Anna Sui, they had these 3 different fragrances there. I only tried one of their perfumes, which was really nice. This one is Violet Vibe. They also had this Sunday Pretty Pink as well. And last, they had this one, which we have seen in the past. It calls Mellow Yellow for $20 each. They also had this MCM Diamond perfume new there for only $35. And then this Polo Ralph Lauren gift set was there as well for men. You get 2 different sizes of fragrances, also shower gel and aftershave gel as well, and was going for only $50. I thought it was a very nice price. They also had this Giorgio Armani perfume there as well for $80. Then this Oscar one as well, which was going for only $20. Also for them, they had this one as well for $20. And for Ariana Grande, they had these 2 different sets there. I absolutely love her fragrances. So they had these 2 different ones for $26.99 each. And I also found this Dry Bar hot tool there, which was going for $120. Also, this Mercy Handy Lip Oil Duo was new there. I don't know this brand, but this one was going for $9. This Shiseido mini size of moisturizer was running for $20.99. Also, this Hangover Pillow Balm for Too Faced for $12.99. And for Iconic London, they had this Kissed by the Sun Multi Cheek Glow as well, was going for $9.99. And then for Molly Beauty, they had this Best Dress Lids eyeshadow palette for only $6. I thought it was a very good price for this palette. They also had this cute gift set there for Disney Alice in Wonderland. You get beauty sponge and 3 different brushes in this. And this set was running for $6.99. Then I also found a bunch of these Dear Cloud wipes there for $5.99 each. It's a K-beauty brand. They had a bunch of those. I also spotted this foundation for e.l.f. new there, Flawless Satin Foundation for $3.99. This one is in the shade Light Ivory. And this full size of Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Removing Balm for $20. This Peter Thomas Roth gift set, you get 4 full sizes of mask in this for only $20. And for Tree Hut, they had a couple of different body moisturizers, pineapple, vitamin C, and watermelon one for $5.99. Also, this coconut lime scrub, which was going for $6.99. Then I also spotted a bunch of these moisturizing body lotions as well. Here you can see these are their Dewy Daisy moisturizing body lotion, which was going for $5.99. And also for the Tree Hut, they had these Coco Colada moisturizing body lotions there, which those were going for $6. And also a bunch of these strawberry foaming gel cleanser for $7.99. And also they had these vitamin C ones as well for $8.49. And this scalp and body scrub for dry bar was marked down there for only $4.99. And this Peter Thomas Roth gift set was also new there. You get under eye patches and vitamin C serum. Both full sizes was going for only $30. Also, they had this e.l.f. Shadow Lock Eyelid Primer new there for $3.99. Then these Living Proof Curl Shampoos was also marked down there for $6.49. And this Bioderma Micellar Cleansing Water for $9.99. Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser for $8.99. Also for Cetaphil, they had these oily skin cleanser in bigger sizes as well for $13. Peter Thomas Roth gift set, you get 3 different items in this. This set is also pretty new, and I found it at Ross for $20. They had this Perfect Elixir perfume for Marc Jacobs for only $40. Also, this MAC Studio Fix foundation in NW5 for $16.99. And you guys, for Glamlite, I found this Valentine's Day collection. How adorable it is. And this one was running for only $9.99. It is currently available on their website for $29. Such a good find and great price. And this set is for beauty creations. You get lip oil and lip gloss in this for $6.99. And also for Glamlite, they had this set new there as well. This is their Wonka lip kit, which this also is available on their website for $22. They had it there for only $8.99. Amazing price on their makeup. And also for them, they had this Coca-Cola cherry palette as well. You get 8 eyeshadows in this, and this palette was running for only $9. And also at one of the Ross stores, I found all of this makeup locked up there. A lot of this we have seen in the past, but I thought I would show you guys a little bit. If you want anything, they had this all in stock. And I think everything here we have seen in the past. This palette was new to me. This one right here for Iconic London Brighten Up Baked Highlighting powder. I could not see the price ticket for it, but they had it in stock. Also, they had one shade of MAC blush as well for $15. This one is in this shade right here, New Romance. And the Kylie face palette was for $8.99 on markdown. For handbags, they had this Kate Spade purse new there at Ross, which was going for $130. Also, this Steve Madden one was also new there, which this one was running for $35. And this Steve Madden was on markdown there, which was going for $27.99. I also found this Kate Spade purse there as well for $80. And for Karl Lagerfeld, they had this one new there for $60. Also for Kate Spade, they had this one new there as well for $60. And this pink one was there as well, which was going for $80. And this blue one as well for $60. They had this brand in stock as well for $130. They had two of their bags in stock. And I also found this Karl Lagerfeld purse as well. There is no price ticket on this one. And this Kipling backpack was there as well for $55. And also they had this Kate Spade purse there as well for $130. And for shoes, they had these new there for Jessica Simpson for $28. And this one for Steve Madden for $20. I thought it was a very good price. And they had this one there for Tommy Hilfiger for $17.99. And this brand was there as well for $25. And these for Guess for $23. These cute pink ones for $25. And also they had these new there for $17 for White Mountain. And these were new there for Guess for $28. And also they had these Madden Girl sandals new there as well for $23. And this one was new there, super cute slides for Kate Spade for $35. And these Nike sneakers were new there for $60. And for Skechers, they had these sneakers new there, super cute color for summertime, and was going for $37.99. And these Dolce Vita ones for only $14 on markdown. I picked up these Guess shoes a few weeks ago. I have only picture to show you, so I thought I would include it. Was going for $28. And for makeup, I picked up this Glamlite palette. I just had to buy it. It is so beautiful. Here you can see on the inside, you get 15 eyeshadows in this. How beautiful this packaging is. I was in love. And when you open it up, here is the color story. If you guys have not tried Glamlite shadow formulas, they are fantastic. Especially I love their shimmer shades. So these are the all shades you get in this one. This palette is so versatile. You can create a lot of looks with it. And here are the swatches. So beautiful. I was in love with all of these shimmer shades. Glamlite formulation is amazing. The mattes are very buttery smooth and shimmers are very blinding, and these are like my type of shimmers. I love shimmers like this. Here you can see the shades without the flashlight on, so that you guys have an idea how the palette is. And you guys, I created this beautiful eye look using this Glamlite palette. We went to a birthday party during the weekend, and honestly I got a lot of compliments on this look. I had no time to film step by step, but I wanted to include this little footage to show you guys how beautiful these shades are.